If you're searching for the ultimate escape from the world, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are your answer, delivering industry-leading noise cancellation that truly needs to be heard to be believed. Imagine silencing your daily commute, a bustling office, or even a noisy airplane with just the flick of a switch. That's the transformative power these headphones offer. Beyond the serene quiet, you get an incredible 30-hour battery life, meaning your longest flights or workdays are no match for these powerhouses. Charge them up once and enjoy days of uninterrupted audio bliss, whether you're jamming to music or focused on podcasts. And for modern multitaskers, the seamless multi-point connection is a game changer, letting you switch effortlessly between your laptop and phone without ever repairing. Take a call on your phone and immediately jump back to your movie on your tablet. It just works, making your tech life smoother than ever. What truly sets the XM5S apart is this perfect blend of revolutionary quiet, marathon battery life, and smart connectivity, all wrapped in a sleek, comfortable design. If you're looking to buy the best noise-canceling headphones in 2025, these should absolutely be at the top of your list. Check out the latest deals by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. Investing in the Sony WH-1000XM5 is investing in your peace, productivity, and pure audio enjoyment. For anyone seeking a premium listening experience, I wholeheartedly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5. They are simply the best.